Are you currently working a 9 to 5 job and you're absolutely tired of not having that time and financial freedom? I want to show you this simple 3-step process that has allowed me to make over $677,000, and I have helped over 12,000 people at their 9 to 5 jobs create a business without any products, any experience, and how you can get started right now. What's up, you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya, and I'm the go-to expert when it comes to helping people leave their 9 to 5 jobs and achieving that financial and time freedom. And as you can see, we've helped over 12,000 students start their online business and start their journey on leaving their 9 to 5 job. As you can see here, guys, we've had literally hundreds of people generate their first commission online, and every single one of these people never had a product, never had any experience, and they're still working their 9 to 5 job. I have even helped one of my students go all in with his business and make over $27,000 in just the last month. Now, in this training, I'm going to show you my simple 3-step process on how you can build a 6-figure online business, but more importantly, show you how you can leave your 9 to 5 job and achieve financial and time freedom. And the best part about it is I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started without any products, without any experience, and with just a few hours a week. This is the exact same framework and process that allowed me to leave my 9 to 5 job with a baby on the way and working 50 to 60 hours per week. I want to invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where I'm going to show you exactly step by step, click by click, how you can set up this affiliate stacking ecosystem, how you can do this with one click of a button, but also I'm going to give you the skills so you can do this yourself and use this to quit your 9 to 5 job. This is the exact system and process that I use to quit my 9 to 5 job and achieve financial freedom, and the same system that I've used on over 12,000 plus and counting students that have gone through my 3-day challenge. Now, if you're interested in joining this 3-day challenge, I'm going to leave a link down below or around this video. That way you can get started with the 3-day business breakthrough challenge.